This is a review of the Kitchenaid towel and mitt set in blue velvet, the color blue velvet. And the reason why I got these was because of the fact that I have a Kitchenaid in the same color. And I wanted my kitchen accessories to match my Kitchenaid. And so I did get this set. It came with one pot holder and one glove. Comes with one white, and this one is just the solid. But if you can see here, it's textured with patterned designs here. And it's a nice, they're nice medium weight towels. They aren't too thin and they're not too thick for the kitchen. I like this set so much that I ended up buying a second set just so that I could have matching pairs of everything Kitchenaid blue velvet color, making it a cohesive look in the kitchen.